Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making meatball sliders. They're great for the Super Bowl parties. So these are the ingredients that we're going to need today. Your favorite pasta sauce, a half a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a half a teaspoon of whole oregano, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're also going to need grated parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese shredded, 1 stick of butter melted, and a pack of the Hawaiian rolls. And also I'm using frozen meatballs. These you could put right into the microwave just to heat them up. They're already fully cooked. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get a baking sheet and cover it with aluminum foil. Then you want to sit your Hawaiian rolls on top. You can use either the savory Hawaiian rolls or the sweet ones, it doesn't matter. Next we're going to grab a knife and we're just going to make a circle and cut that out of our Hawaiian rolls, and we're going to do that for each. Okay guys, as you can see, I went around to every roll and we cut a circle in it. So all you're going to do now is pop it out of there. Alright, now with your leftover bread that you pulled out from the center, you can use that for croutons for a salad. You can make breadcrumbs from it if you don't want to discard it. Next we're going to melt our butter, and all I'm going to do is add my seasoning to it, which is the onion powder and garlic powder, the crushed red peppers, and the oregano and parsley flakes. And we're just going to mix that together real good. Once you combine all your seasonings into the butter, all we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to coat our Hawaiian rolls and get down in the center of them. Make sure they're coated nicely. And then we're going to put them into our oven at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. Okay guys, once your rolls are nicely coated, as you can see, we're going to put them into the oven. Remember, only 8 minutes. Okay guys, after the 8 minutes is up, you can see that they are beautiful and golden, and you can also hear they have a crisp to it. So all we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and take our mozzarella cheese and we're going to put it and push it down into the bottom of each roll. Okay guys, once you're done putting the mozzarella cheese in, now you want to take your favorite pasta sauce, and we're going to go ahead and take about a tablespoon, and we're just going to put it in to our roll. Okay, once you're done with that, now we're going to go ahead and take our meatballs, and all we're going to do is sit it on top of our sauce. Alright guys, once you're done with that, we're going to go back in with our sauce, and we're just going to add it over top of our meatballs. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and grab our grated parmesan cheese, and we're just going to sprinkle over top. Now we're going to take our mozzarella cheese, and we're just going to go ahead and put a layer on. Remember guys, you can add as much cheese as you would like. Alright guys, now we're ready to put it in our 400-degree oven for 12 minutes. You want all the cheese to melt. Okay guys, our meatball sliders are now out of the oven. They look delicious. Okay guys, so here we have it, our meatball sliders. Like I said, they're perfect for your Super Bowl parties. You can also add your extra pasta sauce in a bowl to the side so you can dip them in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.